Create recipe on photo frame. Step 1. Tap a date and select Add Recipe. Step 2. Enter the name of the recipe and then select the catalog you want to add. Flip to the bottom to click on Add. Step 3. Click a date and choose your recipe. Create a recipe on eCalendar app. Step 1. Open eCalendar, select your device and click Meals section. Step 2. Click the button plus twice, one on the meal homepage, the other in the recipe box. Step 3. Enter the name of the recipe and select the catalog to save. Step 4. Select a date and add your new recipe. You can change the time interval in increments of 1 week.